Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, east central Johnson County in north central Texas, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Itasca, or 12 miles north of Hillsborough, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Maple around 5:40 p.m. Venus around 5:45 p.m. Waxahachie around 6 p.m. Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Avila, and Oakleaf around 6:05 p.m. Cedar Hill around 6:10 p.m. Lancaster around 6:15 p.m. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35 west between mile markers 15 and 17. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 400 and